Hello, today we're going to install Qora on Windows. Qora is a second generation cryptocurrency. To get to the main page, we're just going to type Qora into Google, and the very first link that pops up here is the main Qora page. Now this is the authoritative source for everything about Qora. It is on bitcointalk.org, so you are in the right place there. So this post has the latest download links, latest information about the project, and other resource information links. So we're going to go ahead and click this download link. This actually takes us to another, further in the same discussion thread to a later post where version 10 was posted. So we'll go ahead and click the download link again. That'll take us to Mega Download site. So we'll click this red download button, and that will download Qora to our computer. So while that's downloading, one of the requirements is to have Java installed on your computer. And to install Java, we'll go to java.com and we'll click this link up here that says download. And we're going to click this button down here that says see all Java downloads. So I have a 64-bit machine, so I need the 64-bit installer, so I'm going to click this. If you have a 32-bit, you can use the 32-bit installer. Now, one word of caution while this is downloading, you may, even though you have a 64-bit machine, you can have 32-bit installed and have it working, Java working in the web browser. But if you go to the command line, if you just hit start button, command, type Java space - version. If that doesn't come back with the Java version like it didn't on my machine, we do not have it working on the command line. So 64-bit, the download finished here, so we'll install this. We'll put in our password or go through the UAC prompt that says allow Java to install. So we're going to hit install. I might fast forward here to while it's installing. Okay, we've successfully installed Java. So now on the command prompt, if I do Java space - version, now you can see it does come back with Java 1.6 or 1.7 is the Java version that we need. So if your command line does not have this, I'll put a link in here below that takes you to a website that'll help troubleshoot getting this working from the command line. But once that is complete, now we can go, we'll go into our downloads folder. Okay, now we can go ahead and right mouse click on Qora and say extract all. This will extract the contents of our downloaded Qora files. Double click there and double click on run. Now this will run Qora for the first time. It's going to start up and connect to other nodes across the network. So we have two options. Since it's the first time we're running Qora, we will create a new wallet. So now we're presented with a randomly generated unique seed. So this is private to our account. So this is what you need to recover this wallet on another machine or recreate it anywhere else. This is all the information that we need. So we want to keep this safe. We will hit Control-C to copy that. I'm just going to put it over here in Notepad, but definitely you guys want to, if you're going to use this for anything but just testing, you'll want to keep it on a different machine and preferably in a different physical location so that you can always get access to this. All right, we'll hit next. Now we have to type in our seed. We'll just hit Control-V to paste that back in there. Basically just to confirm that we did copy it and we did save that. So now you need to create a new password for your wallet. So this will be used to anytime you need to send money or to make any action, you'll need to use that to unlock your wallet. Okay, so this is the initial screen. We've got some tabs up here. We have accounts. Now we have 10 different accounts here that it starts off with. Now all these are all the same. You can use either one of them, any one of those for sending or receiving transactions. So you can actually come down here and hit new account and generate as many new accounts as you want. So right now, very quickly, Qora has connected to the network, and we see this green OK here. Our wallet is unlocked. If we're going to walk away from the machine, we may want to double-click that, and we can lock the wallet. So what that means is you can't send transactions or make any changes with this. You can only view balances. To unlock it, that's where the password comes in. Okay, so that's unlocking and locking the wallet, and this is our accounts. So to send money, send money is easy as copying one of these addresses. So let's copy an address. Go over to send money and send to, and I can hit Control V to paste that address in there, and I can put any amount in here. So since this is a brand new wallet, I do not have any Qora, so I can't actually show you the transaction here. But you can just hit send, and immediately you'll see that transaction propagate across the network and be reflected in these balances. This is the transactions tab. So every time you send or receive money, every transaction will show up here. And actually, since this is a second generation cryptocurrency, you can do more than just send and receive money. You can register names. You can do votes, and a lot of future capability coming very quickly here. So all those transactions and actions will be stored here in this transaction list. So we go to naming services, and we'll show you real quick how to register a name. So we could name something like my wallet, and then under value you could put your wallet address. So this basically you can register a shortcut to your wallet, or this could be a website. You could say myweb.qora, or it could almost be a replacement for DNS. So it's a very flexible just name value pair that you set up that's stored on the Qora blockchain, and it'll be interesting how developers and how people actually utilize this capability in the future. Voting is pretty cool. We can create our own poll, so we can come in here and say, who will be next president, and we can put in a couple different options and have people vote on it. You can also go in here and go all polls. You see what polls have been created out there. So Brazil champion, we can come see who thinks Brazil will be the champion. 52% says yes, 47% says no. So you can see all the votes that have happened and my vote. So I haven't voted here, but if I did, you'd be able to see this here. So all that is that's a quick overview of Qora. One last thing I'll show you is just if we quit this, you'll notice that our private our addresses. So this last one ends in OIXA. Okay, so if we quit out of here, and if we actually go back here and delete our entire folder, so this is going to delete all our wallet data. Actually, I deleted the wrong one, so we want to delete this one. This deletes all our wallet data and all our information. So now I've just killed all our private information. However, since I saved the seed over here, I will be able to recover. So let's extract our, the original client again. Come in here, double click on Run. And so it thinks we're running Qora for the first time again. However, this time, instead of create a new wallet, I'm going to hit Recover. I'm going to use this seed to recover the wallet. So I paste in the seed again, and I create a new password. And this actually could be different than the first time, because the password is just stored locally on this machine. It's it's different than the seed. So we'll hit confirm, and since I know I created an additional account, I'll put 11 there. We'll hit confirm. What this is going to do is going to regenerate our are all our wallet addresses, all from that original seed. So OIXA, so we see that that matches, and every one of these addresses is exactly the same. And since all the transactions, all your, any money sending, all your account balances, any name registrations, and actually any voting as well, is all stored on the blockchain. And so all that can be re-downloaded from the client with just that seed. So you can see just from that seed you can recover your entire wallet and the entire state of everything you've done. Alright, that's it. I hope this was helpful and I hope you guys enjoyed the video.